In this video, we're going to take a look at how to verify your Yubo account. So if you want to get that nice yellow tick next to your name, listen up and I'm going to show you how to do it. And like always, please subscribe to the channel, make daily content, tutorials for you on all the latest social media platforms. So first we're going to do, in the top right hand corner, we're going to click the icon that looks like a little person. And then midway down the page, you've got complete your profile. And we have the Get Verified option. We're going to click on Get Verified, and it's basically a two-step process. So the first thing we need to do is go to either the Android store or the Apple shop and download the Yachty app. Once you've downloaded the Yachty app, you're going to need to create an account. So it's going to ask you to first enter your mobile number. It's going to send you a text with a 5-digit PIN code. You're going to want to enter that into the screen. Then next, it's going to ask you to kind of prove your identity. So it's going to kind of want to take a picture or live stream your face. So you're going to show your face, and it's going to ask you to say 3 random words. Once it's done that, you're going to need to take a picture of some identification. So this is either your passport, provisional driving license, or citizen's card. Once all that's done, you'll be verified on Yachty. Then you need to come back to Yubo, and then you need to click on button number 2, and it's going to verify the information from the Yachty app and verify what age you are, etc. And then you'll be able to get your verified tick next to your name. And that's how you do it, guys. I'll see you in the next video.